Hello, in the following video we will go through how to set up a new contract within Construction Manager and Service Stream. First of all, we will need to select contracts on the top green line at the top of the page. This will list the existing contracts that we have on the system, or if you're new to the system and not entered any contract yet, the list will obviously be blank. To create a new contract, we will click on New, which will load the page as you see in front of you. We can then enter a job number either manually or, as we have at the moment, a new pattern has been set up so that it will generate the next available number in a sequence. To manually enter it, we would obviously change to manual entry and then manually type in a name or a number into the job number field. If I leave it on new pattern, it will just automatically create the next number for me in the sequence upon saving the contract. The next field we need to fill in will be the customer. So if I select from the drop down here, and then if I type in the word group, for example, into this box at the top with a magnifying glass, it filters out for me to find the customer that I'm looking for. We've then got a date field which can be changed for, obviously, if the job is not yet meant to start, or if it has previously been started a number of days or weeks or months ago. You can then backdate the date here. We've also got the ability to change the classification for the job for reporting purposes, and also job analysis can be added in here. To be able to set up a new automatically generated number, change the classifications, and also enter in job analysis for reporting purposes, there is a separate video for this for default settings and contracts. The classification, as we've got here, can be selected from the drop-down list, but it is not a mandatory field, so it can be left on none if required. Description can be entered in here, so it could be office refit, for example, is the name of the job. Contract value can be derived from either the contract, tenders, quotes if applicable, maintenance jobs again if applicable, or the service plans again if applicable. I'm going to leave it on contract, and then you can manually type into here. Other videos will be provided on how to set up tenders, quotes, etc. So if I put in 10,000 for the contract value, that enters into the total value for us. We can enter doubts and variations if applicable into that field as well. Order number can be added in if it's going to be applicable again for if this customer has provided you with an order number that's going to be over the whole of this job. We've then also got fields for to be completed by, so if you've been given a deadline to when this job needs to be finished by, and a completed date or the date the job's finished can be entered into this field here. This will also be used to trigger any retention that's been held on this job. It would also be obvious to change or enter the date in here and at the same time changing the status from active to either complete, no postings, or complete postings, for example. So complete no postings will be that the job has finished and there are no more transactions to be posted against this job, so no more timesheets, no more purchase orders. Whereas complete postings will mean the job's finished, but you're still expecting to have to enter timesheets or purchase orders or invoices against this job. At the point, as I said, by clicking on Save on the top right corner, this then saves the job, and the job number 1033 has been provided as the next available job number in that sequence. Once you've clicked on Save, you can't change the job number, but you can change the details. So, for example, spelling mistake that's been added into description, I can rectify and then resave the job.